Paolo, one thing I've noticed from the moment I arrived is how...
Only one thing.
So many things, but first of all, the many, many creative ways you have displayed and arranged your art. It's on the floors, it's leaning against other pieces of art. In the hallways, it's
Susanna, it's not a major art. Philip and I, we like to buy all the time. And sometimes we come home with a painting and the first thing we do is we just drop it on the floor. And then ends it up being on the floor for like a year or two. They're just around us.
And then in the hallway, you said you had something hung, but then you ended up building something to prop it on.
Oh, you noticed that?
I love that.
That's our Candida Hofer, which again was sitting on the floor for like 2 years. And then Philip came up with the idea to build this plinth. So it's actually sitting on the plinth, but it's in exactly the same place in the hall. Yeah.
But it elevates it a little bit.
Yes. It looks like more important. It looks like we thought about it. We just didn't drop it there and forget about it. Yeah.
But then you have a Jeff Koons, and then below it is something you said from a street artist that you found in High Point.
Yes. I mean, we don't buy for the value. We just buy what we like.
Every piece of art that I've remarked on here, there's been a wonderful story behind it. Not just the purchasing, but the bringing it home, which I love.
Yeah, but look, both of us, Philip and I, wherever we go, we always come back with bags and bags of things, you know. We always say, oh no, this is the last time we are going to carry a big painting or a big coffee table with us. But we always do. We just can't resist. Susanna, come in, I'll show you our guest bedroom.
Where I'll be staying my next visit to London.
Oh, you're always welcome, anytime.
Thank you, I'm kidding.
It's yours, it's all yours.
It's incredible.
Come in. So, as you can see, it's quite different from the rest of the house. This is much more decorated, which I believe a guest bedroom can take it. Because you only stay for 2 days, 2-3 nights.
And you said to me that you would probably do this for yourself because it's too busy for your...
Yeah, for myself, you know, I wouldn't want to be here all the time. I think for a guest it's perfect. So we always also for clients we do this.
Love this circular window in here. Did you put that in?
The berth, yeah, the window, which just to give more lights to the bathroom. Although the bathroom has a window, but it was nice.
That's smart,
to give
just to
even
add more. Yes.
And again, it's another element of surprise, which is nice. When you're a guest, I think it's nice to look around and to find surprises, you know. It's almost like a gift. Susanna, this is my white canvas. As you can see, we are still deciding what to do with this room. Philip wants it red, I want it white.
Oh,
so for the moment, he wants it red. He wants something extraordinary, you know. So for the moment, it's white. So
this
it's
painting.
a good, yeah. The painting, we were lucky enough to buy this painting from the Rudolf Nureyev sale. And everything, you know, there went for millions and millions. But obviously this is not a very good quality one because we managed to buy it. But for me, it's nice. So I want to see it, and I want to have it next to me in a white room where we actually stands up. But it's not going to stay like this for long.
Next time I come, you think it's
next
you're
time
gonna
you come,
lose,
you
or
think we moved,
away?
but actually it's a different color. Everything would be different.
That's fun. And the rest of the walls in here are mostly black, correct? In the main rooms?
Black or dark, you know. It's a night house. We are here at night. We spend the evenings here. As you can see, it's completely different from our house in the country.
Which was all about white.
The house in the country, it's a country house. It's a house that we live during the day. So it's an in and out. It's the garden, it's the house. Here there is no garden. Here is an apartment in town where we entertain, where we spend the evenings. So for me, you know, I never see the daylight here. Every time I come, it's dark. Susanna, I think it's time to have a coffee. Come in, we can have a coffee.
To the dining room. Oh.
Yeah. So this used to be the master bedroom of this apartment, which we transformed into our dining room. But before we sit down for coffee, have you noticed how many fake doors and how many fake windows we have in this room? So, as you can see, I mean, this one is a real door, that's a fake door.
I was going to say the reverse.
Yeah, no, we wanted to create the symmetry here. Oh. So we did the same with the windows, because we only had one window. So now you see here we have another window, which is a fake window, and we use it for storage for our china. You see, we have china behind here.
Just a few pieces.
Just a few things, yeah.
But this is so clever.
One of Philip's, you know, manias, China, 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 everywhere. You've seen it in the country, we also have a lot of China. Yeah.
Yes.
He likes to buy
But
China.
this is a great idea for a lot of people that live in New York or that have small
Every
spaces.
single space is used. You see like those panels behind there? Those
Right.
are cupboards too. So
And they
they're
almost
full of
disappear
glass and
there.
China, yeah.
I've never
That's
seen a
also
fake
full.
window for storage. This is very clever, and as you say, it's an opportunity to create window treatments,
So
balance.
it's all symmetrical. When you close the doors, the whole room is like a cigar box, as you can see. It's a big dark cigar box.
But it doesn't feel like a pass-through room. So many dining
No, we
rooms that
do
people
use it a
have,
lot.
I can
No, we
tell.
use it every single night. If it's just the two of us, we have dinner here. We never have dinner in the kitchen. We always have dinner here. Otherwise, what's the point of a dining room? Yeah. A dining room should be used. Should we have a coffee? Let's sit down and have a
Please, I
coffee.
would love
Yeah.
it.
This is a fun piece too, no? Don't you think? This big terracotta.
Yes.
This came with us in the back of the car, all the way from Italy, and it's survived, as you can see. It's all here.
I
Nothing
really
is
wish that I had a
broken.
video of the two of you driving with that in the back
With
of
that
the
in the
car.
bag, and the dog. Yeah.
And the
Yeah,
dog.
dogs, yeah.
And everyone made it back in one piece.
Would you